With an injured ankle, acrophobia and zero camping or climbing experience, here I am, still on Hong Kong's beaches and mountains, without a phone on day 5 of my digital detox. Welcome to the final day of my journey. So I just took a shower today. This morning is so good. I feel like I'm full of energy now. After a quick breakfast to boost my energy, I get back to the beach and wait for my Phone teammate Jack, who is going to accompany me on a final challenge. A challenge that many of my friends, including the Phone team, don't believe that I can do. Today is the 5th day during my whole journey, and it's also my last day here. Right now I'm at Hunting Beach. It's such a beautiful beach with great waves. I really hope that I can do some surfing, but I have some other plan today. My appointment with Jack was set for noon, and he shows up on time. I finally met Jack. I'm so happy to see him.
Good to have you here too.
Yeah, and today we're going to have an adventure, right?
Yeah, you told me, I got that message from you, you want to beat the challenge. So 478 meters, sharp peak. We're going to go up there.
Yeah, all the way right to the top.
A little bit of climbing.
A lot of climbing. Let's go. Also known as Nanseijian, a hill which lies within the Sai Kung East Country Park, Sharp Peak lies north of Tai Lang Wan. It is well known for its defined sharpness. The mountain is generally very difficult for hikers and should only be attempted in good weather conditions with the right equipment and guidance. That's why I have Jack here. In order to make the hike easier for me, Jack chooses a gentle route starting from the Hantin Beach, crossing Taiwan Beach, then following the Sharp Peak Pass.
Yeah, she's catching up.
But not long into the climb, my finger, which I hurt yesterday, gets more painful.
Going to the wild in the mountain. Sun lotion, alcohol patch, bandage. Now we're gonna use it. I'm a nurse now, yeah?
And we continue the climb. I just cannot believe it. Now we are almost there, and I can already see the very top right there.
Yeah, halfway already. You're doing well.
I cannot believe it. I thought I cannot make it.
Oh well, let's see. Still halfway to go.
My injured ankle was still giving me trouble, and I couldn't match Jack's pace. My climb was very slow, but within an hour and a half,
Just about a quarter left, but it's quite steep.
Yeah.
So my suggestion is we do another half an hour
yes,
at 4 o'clock. If we made it to the top, that's fun. If we don't, we need to go down
yeah,
before it's dark. Yeah,
Yes.
it takes about 2 hours to go up.
yeah.
We need another 2 hours to go down.
I agree, and I'm already very happy for all the way we made here. So yeah, we'll just give it a try. And
Look
see
at
how
the
it
view.
goes. It's perfect, spectacular. As we climb, the harder and steeper it becomes. But with the summit in sight, I am hoping we can make it. It's just right there. However, my fear of heights is also starting to get to me as we near the top. Soon, I am using my hands to help me feel safe, while Jack, an experienced hiker, pushes on without difficulty.
About 20 meters away from the summit, I have to say, Chloe blew my mind off. She's literally scared of height. And look at here, it's amazing. She's overcoming it.
Gripped with fear but still determined, Jack helps me make the final push to the top. Oh my goodness! Woo! Woo! Oh my afraid to hide. I cannot believe it.
Okay, I just cannot believe it. We are finally here at the top of Sharp Peak.
Yeah.
I didn't expect that, really.
She did so well for a girl who is scared of height. 478 above sea level. It's quite tall, yeah, and you have nothing around. You have all the view for yourself.
And I really have to say that without Jack, I cannot make it here. And I'm so grateful for Jack. And yes, we made it!
Yay!
Yay! I really hope to take a photo of this moment and then post it on my Instagram, Weibo, or any social media account. I am so proud of this moment, but I just can't.
I'm not gonna give her the phone. She's still detoxing.
Fresh off this triumph, I would like to have ended my digital detox journey here. But as the saying goes in Chinese, it is easier to go uphill than to climb downhill. We began our descent a little after 4 p.m. What should have been a 2-hour hike back down took me 6. My ankle isn't doing great, so Jack looks for an easier way down. But as darkness sets in, we get lost, even with Jack using his phone for directions. It takes us a while to figure it out, but eventually we make our way. As tough as the hike was, it's amazing to know that sometimes if you just give it a try and keep moving forward, you can have yourself an incredible journey. We arrived back at Hantin Beach at 10:30 p.m. I opt to stay here one more night and end my digital detox the following day.
Oh, Jesus, look at it.
Stay tuned for our next episode as I will bring you 5 tips and benefits I learned from my digital detox experience. I will see you next week.